Hey, and welcome to Alpha 1. Yes, now we are going to run Alpha 1 Trader. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you find up there right now, or use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you use the promo code you find below the video. You get 100% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count, okay? Now, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. I hope in this video we will pass 200 because we have won every single trade till now, and this will be day number 8. Also make sure you follow me at Telegram. I have a free single group there for Forex, so join that also, link below the video. But now let's start up Alpha 1 Trader. Okay, was a little technical issue there. Did not show that we did close the trade, but you see we got the win. So one more win. You see our balance now is at $201, and as you can see here, this robot only wins. All the trades you can see I have done here for the last few days. So this robot is amazing, and you can have it completely for free also. Link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.